Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. In today's session, we are going to learn three very important string functions in SQL, that is concat, substring and length. Let's see the theory part first, then we will move to the practical one. What is concat? Concat is used to join text together. Second, what is substring? Substring is used to cut or extract part of a text. What is length? Length is used to find how long a text is. So, as I've told you, we will first understand the theory in very simple words and then we will do practical with a sample table, the table you can see in front of my screen. I will show you all those practical step by step and it will be an hand holding guidance procedure, and the video will be also short so that you also save a lot of time plus you gain knowledge on a daily basis. So first thing first, we can see the table. First let's study the table. What we have in this table? We have total 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns. Columns, I mean to say employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone and city. Let me tell you, the phone number here are random, so no need to call. So let's move with the theory part of the topic, that is concat. Concatenation, as I've told you, it is used to join two or more strings. I told again, it's strings. For example, if you have like Rahul and Sharma, like you can see the first name, you can join them together and make Rahul Sharma. How to use it? Like in PostgreSQL, we use the double pipe operator. You can use concat function as well. I mean to say this one. You can use like this. I mean, let's write this here. You can use concat this, but in PostgreSQL, we use double pipe, this one, in concatenation, right? So we are using PostgreSQL as a SQL environment right now, and we will see very clearly how things work out in this. So first thing first, let's write the first name and last name as full name, and that through concatenation. How do we write it? Simple. You will let me write here concat. First, let write here select. I will write first name, right? Then double pipe, then string, like that, with a space, then double pipe. Then I will write last name as full name, right? Simple as it is. And where? From the table name is employee YT. And when I execute it, see, what do we get? We got the full name. And here right now, you know why I have given a space between two string commas, I mean quotation commas here. If I don't give a space here, it will join like this. That's why I'm saying I have given a space. That's it. And in PostgreSQL, we use this method to join two or more string or text in the table. Simple as that. And this thing will come in select, like select first name concat with a space, and concat, how do we do? With the double pipe. Sorry, last name, then alias, done and dusted. Simple as that. If you want, you can do one more thing. You can write like this as well. This is the full name. You can write like this, like first name, then a space, then last name. Simple as that. Last name. Then I will add one more thing. I will add lives in. I will add lives in. Then I will add city as location, or I would say employee location, like that, from the table name. And when I execute it, see, Rahul Sharma lives in Mumbai. But as I've told you, here space should be added. So here one more concatenation should be added. Like how do we add it? Simple, no need to worry about space. Simple as that. And when we execute it, okay, two operators are there. So no need to worry about. We can add one more technique here. We will give a space here as well, like the quotation mark, then a space, then lives in. And when we execute it, see, Rahul Sharma lives in Mumbai. And after in also, we will give a space. So one space here, one space here, and it is like Rahul Sharma. Let me increase it. Yeah. Is it okay right now? Let me check. Yeah. Rahul Sharma lives in Mumbai. Wait, let me execute again. Huh. Anita Verma lives in Delhi. John lives in Bangalore. Then XYZ. Right? This is the power of concatenation. And concatenation means whatever you want to join between any text, just use this double pipe because we are using PostGRE SQL, and PostGRE SQL works, I mean, studies the concatenation with the help of double pipe, right? And inside whatever you write, it will be showcased in the output. No need to worry about in this. Second thing, what we have substring, next function. So what is substring? Substring is used to extract a portion of a string. Simple. It is also used in a string, right? String matlab text. Simple as that. Matlab, for example, if you say uh, like Rahul Sharma, you may want only Rahul or only Sharma in that. I mean to say you want to extract it. So if you want to do that, just do like this. In PostgreSQL, you will commonly see string, start, and length. Let me show you the proper syntax for that. Right? Proper syntax, it is like this. We write it here. Substring. In this, you will write substring. Simple as that. In this, you will write substring. Then you will write string. Sorry, string. After that, you have to write from start for length. From for length. I know it is tough for you to understand what I have written here, but right now, when we will do a practical part, we will be able to understand that thing. Example, I am saying select city. Right? This. First of all, let's see the table. I know you might have uh, just okay. This is the table. Okay. Suppose I write select, then I will write city, then I will write substring, then I will write the column name where I want to extract the part. I want to extract from city from 1, that is the start. Okay. For wait, it is like from 1 for 3. I mean to say from city, I need from starting to the third part. It is like that, starting to the third part. Okay. And simple, from the table name you have to write from employee YT. And when you execute it, there's what we have got: city, substring, city, and substring. So how does it work? Whatever column name you want, you have to write it. Okay. City column we want, then you have to write from, then you have to write the starting letter. Starting letter is 1, we have written that. And then for length, till what letter you want to take or extract the data from. I want till 3, so I have simply written from 1 for 3. That's it. And we have got the output. Simple as that. And that's the beauty of substring. This is the syntax. This is the syntax for it. Right now, we will move to the third part, which is right related to, I mean, length. Okay. And okay, before moving to the third part, let me tell you, in this you can simply take care of like whatever mail ID you want to extract. But let me tell you one thing, if you extract anything from the mail ID using substring, it is kind of easy. But the thing is, if the positioning of the name and of the at the rate is not on a proper basis, then you might face issue in this. And for that we will be using regex. So regex will be seen in some near future videos, and we will learn it very properly. By the use of regex, you can actually extract the name, the domain name, and after domain name, that .com or .co .in, each and everything you can extract properly using regex. So we will see that as well. For now, let's move to length. Length tell us how many characters are there in the string. Simple as that. How to say it? Let me write the thing here. Length. Suppose I want to write the length of name. Simple as that. Suppose I want to write the name of length. It won't work like that. First of all, you have to write select name, length of name uh, as number of text from the table. That's it. And when you execute it, name does not exist. Okay, what name? So first name is there. Sorry, I've just forgot it. First name, first name. And when you execute it, see Rahul 5 character, Anita 5, John 4, Priya 5, Amit 4. This is the beauty of length in PostgreSQL. It will do nothing, but it will just return an integer. If you can see here, it's just returning an integer in the output, nothing else. It will just return an integer from the output. That's it. And right now you can see we can use length in different ways. Like we want to filter some rows, we want to do kind of data quality checking, sanity checking, or if you want to create some logic like only show the short names of the first name kind of thing, we can use that. And what's the use of length? Nothing special, just it will show how many characters are there in the given column names. Like I have given length first name, so how many characters are there in the first name, that will give you in the output. That's it, nothing else. And let's do a recap, or let's do a summarization of it. Concat is used for joining strings. Okay. Substring is used for cutting or extracting part of a string. Length is used to find the number of characters. That's it. So that's all about it. And where can we use this? Because see, after each and every video I tell like where should we use it and what is the practical use of it. Let me tell you, this functions are extremely common while doing some data cleaning, reporting, Power BI dashboard, or backend SQL kind of thing. These functions are really useful, believe me. So that's all about it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do a like for this video, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you would be able to know about the live stream that we do every day, so that you can jump into my live stream and ask doubts directly to me, and I will help you out in that. Doubts from SQL, Python, from projects, or from assignments, wherever you want to ask your doubts, you can ask your doubts. And please share this video to someone who want to do a easy or quick recap on a daily basis for SQL. So that's all about it. Thank you. Have a nice day, and let's meet again in a new video.